Hey guys, it is Sunday here in West Virginia, and I just got in my other blue K5 Blazer yesterday, so I figured I would go ahead and do my base swap video because I wanted to get this done and get them in my display case because I've always wanted to have a matching pair, slammed and lifted. So I had one of these blue and white ones already, as you can see here. This you've seen in the thumbnail was still packaged. I got it off the base and out of the package. Still didn't cut those rubber bands, forgot all about those, but that doesn't really matter too much. But we'll go ahead and try to get them out of the way here, and then we're just gonna go over how to base swap these. I did a video a year or two ago on the square body pickups, which is very simple, and I'm thinking that these are going to be exactly the same thing. Pretty simple. So we'll remove the roofs off of both of them. They just lift right off. Both the interiors are pretty much the same roll bar, all of that stuff, same body and such. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at the base of the lifted truck. So we have a Phillips head screw there and a Phillips head screw here. So basically, I'm just going to remove these screws, and the screwdriver I'm using is actually a screwdriver from M2. Came with a model kit. I can't recall which model kit. So there's one of the screws, and usually these screws come out relatively easy unless during the assembly process at the factory they cross-threaded one or something like that, but usually that's not the case. Usually the screws come out fairly good. So there's your base off of the body of the lifted one. So not much to it, no interior things attached to it, nothing like that. So now we're going to pull the base off the slammed one. Once again, just two Phillips head screws and such. And all the bodies are casted with the wide wheel tubs, so you don't have to worry about if it has like factory style wheels, wide wheels, or what. The body should not be an issue for you. Seems we still, we don't have any more threads in that one, so let's go ahead and pull that off. So there you are, and looking at them like this, same exact thing with interior, everything, how they are and such. And I guess there are a couple of little, nothing on that one. On the slam base, there are little nipples that insert into the interior bucket. But luckily, the interior buckets are exactly the same on both cars, or both SUVs, I should say. So you don't have to worry about that. But if you did, swapping the interior wouldn't be that hard. I think they just kind of pull right out, as you can see. No biggie. If you did happen to get an interior bucket that would not have those little recesses in it for the little nipples. So anyways, what we're going to do is take our blue body and put our dropped chassis on it. And I'm not going to do the screws, saves a little bit of time, but as you can see, it rolls pretty good and it looks pretty cool with the two versions, slammed and lifted, sitting next to each other. So basically that's all there is to it. It's really not that big of a deal to put these things together. And then we'll go ahead and put the lifted chassis on the yellow and white one. And the yellow and white one, I really liked it, and the paint job and such. The only thing I was a little bit disappointed with, as you can see, the way that they taped it or something to do the pearl white is not that good on this side. I don't know if their whatever stencil or whatever they're using in their machine fell and kind of overlapped into the white, and they didn't get all the white on where it should be. So unfortunate with that. But besides that, it's a really cool looking casting. You probably could actually take acetone and remove all the white and just have a taxi cab yellow K5 Blazer. But anyways, I'm going to probably post this one up on eBay for like 10 bucks or something like that to get rid of it, because I don't need it. I just want one lifted and one slammed, and that's it. Pretty happy with the outcome of these. So that's it, guys. That's how you base swap them. Pretty simple process. So thanks for watching, and we'll be back again tomorrow. And tomorrow we're going to do an M2 Monday instead of a Mopar Monday. So tune back in to check that out. Thanks for watching.